Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about a body scrub by Dr. Asheel. So as you guys got to know by the thumbnail and the title that this is a papaya body brightening scrub. So let's just quickly jump into the video. Alright, so Dr. Asheel is a brand which is woman owned, so I'm very proud to use this product. So this is how the product looks. Alright, so very first factor that you guys are thinking about is obviously price. Like this is the first thing that I always see while purchasing any product. So this retails for rupees 225, which is also mentioned here, but I got this from Purple and I got this for rupees 180 because I got 380 ml of the product, like 380 grams actually. So which is a win-win for me. I mean, come on, look at this stuff. This is huge. Alright, so this scrub claims to be a brightening scrub and provides glowing and softness to your skin, as well as it undergoes its own process of a natural renewal, as well as it removes dead skin cells, which is a good thing. And also it claims to remove blackheads, and this scrub contains papaya extract, walnut shell and exfoliate the skin, which I think is a good sign. Alright, so it is mentioned here that it is non-comedogenic and it contains 100% natural extract, and also it is formulated without parabens and sulfates, which is a good thing, which means this is a cruelty-free product, and also this is 100% made in India, which I really appreciate. Alright, so let's talk about the packaging. So this is how it comes. So when you open the cap is actually printed. So this is how the cap is printed. Like it have black dots in it, and this is in silver color. So when you open this, you actually get a transparent seal which you can remove as well, and here the scrub. It have a very mild smell which is very pleasing while you're having your bath or while you're using this, because it calms down your body. Alright, so now just quickly jump into the usage. So it claims that it can be used on your face as well as your body, which is true because it is a non-comedogenic product, so I think you can use on your face as well. Alright, so the usage of this product is actually mentioned how it is used. Like how we use a scrub is basically just rub into circular motions and wash it off, but it claims that you should apply a generous amount to your damp skin and gently massage it in circular motions and relax for 5 minutes. Like keep on your body and relax for 5 minutes, and then wash thoroughly with warm water and use this 2 times a week. Alright, so I have actually used this product and I will insert some clips that you guys will see at the end of the video, like before using this scrub and after using this scrub. It calms down your body, and also using this is a very good feeling because you know it have a very creamy texture which almost melts in your skin, and when you leave it on, your skin just becomes soft ever. So I just really love using this scrub. This is a clear view of my hand before using the body scrub, and this is the after. You guys can definitely see some visible results and teeny tiny of my body hair, so ignore my body hairs. I told you guys about the price, about the quantity, how it feels on your skin, and also how the packaging is. It actually retails for rupees 225, but if you guys want to buy this online, you're gonna get some offers which definitely will reduce the price. If you guys want to buy this, you can keep your eye on this product. Like this is available on Amazon as well as Purple and also in Flipkart, but be aware of the duplicate packaging and the duplicate product. Overall, using this scrub is a very mild and very happy feeling for me because I have used this and I feel so good after using this product. Like my skin feels fresh, and the creamy texture is almost like it spreads like butter on your skin. The small quantity is enough for your whole body. So if you guys are looking forward to buy this, definitely go for this. This is a great option if you are in under budget and you're looking for a good body scrub. So 180 rupees is, I think, is a good deal. So yeah, if you guys want to see more such reviews, then you guys have to subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next one.